a day. I know 'cause everything's going our way today, and we're here to celebrate, yeah. And I've been dreaming of a day like this. I got my camera, gonna capture all of it. Strike a pose and take a pic. 'Cause when we're old, I wanna look back and think, this is the life. This is the life. This is the life. I'm loving this energy like it was meant to be. This is the life. Like sun on my skin, I'm taking it in. 'Cause this is the life. This is the life. 'Cause this is the life. I'm loving this energy like it was meant to be. This is the life. Like sun on my skin, I'm taking it in. 'Cause this is the life.
Describe ko si Danaya, mapagmahal na anak, masunurin.
Si Danaya, maano yan, mapagmahal na kapatid. At may respeto sa kanyang mga nakakatanda sa kanya.
Mag-aral kami mabuti. Alam ko naman yun na deserve mo naman itong birthday na to. Gusto ko lang sana makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral at tapos matulungan mo yung mga kapatid mo. And then, magkaroon ka ng respeto sa lahat ng mga nakakatanda sa'yo, lalo't-lalo na sa mga lolo't lola mo.
Sana hindi ka makalimot at galangin mo lahat ng tao. At maging responsable ka sa lahat ng iyong ginagawa. Alam ko naman na pinalaki ka namin may takot sa Diyos. May respeto. At higit sa lahat, yung pangarap mo sa buhay, sana matupad mo.
Happy birthday, Danaya. We love you.